The distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor is 5d. Let the positive potential plate is at x is equal to 0, okay, and negatively charged plate is at x is equal to 5d. Two slabs, one of the conductor and one of the dielectric of equal thickness d, are inserted between the plates as shown in the figure. Potential versus the distance graph will look like, okay. Now first of all, let me redraw this same diagram. This is at x is equal to 0. Now there is conductor, okay. So between two conductors there will be no potential difference, so I can simply draw a wire between these 2 points, okay. And over here there is dielectric. This is the end of the dielectric, this is the second part, okay. This is x is equal to d, this is 2d, this is 3d, this is 4d, and this is 5d, okay. So basically I can say that now between two plates, okay, now I can divide it into two parts. This is the first capacitor and this is the second capacitor, the entire part, because the center part is covered with dielectric, okay. So I can say that now using the formula E is equal to dV divided by dx, I can say dV will be equal to E dx. Now between two plates the electric field remains constant, okay, electric field remains constant. So as we move from the positive to the negative potential, then the charge, the potential goes on decreasing linearly because it is directly proportional to dx, okay. So first of all, between, if I draw the graph of v versus x, okay, v versus x, between 0 to d it will decrease gradually, okay, that is between 0 to d I will get a graph somewhat like this. What will happen between d and 2d? Between d and 2d there is simply a wire connected, so there will be no change in the potential. The potential remains constant between d and 2d, okay. Between 2d and 3d again the potential decreases because it is linearly dependent. Between 3d and 4d there is again dielectric, so for dielectric the potential will decrease a little slowly, okay, because over here I can say that E is the electric field, okay, and electric field is equal to electric field over here between the plates is equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught k, okay. That is, I can say that the potential is inversely proportional to k. So due to k the slope will reduce a little bit, okay, and after that it will again increase, okay. So this is between 3d and 4d, this is there at 5d, okay. So over here I will obtain a graph somewhat like this, which is equal to option number B.